In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the layout of your Substack site. This process will help you customize the way your content is presented, ensuring that it captures your audience's attention effectively. So let's dive in and get started on this journey to personalize your Substack experience. First, you'll want to log into your Substack account and head over to your dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic begins. Upon entering your dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on Settings. This will open up various customization options to enhance your publication. Now look towards the left-hand panel on your settings page. Here you'll need to click on the Website option. This section allows you to define the appearance and layout of your site, shaping how your readers experience your content. Once you're in the website section, focus on the publication theme drop-down menu. This is a critical component because it lets you choose between default and custom theme options. For our purposes today, we will select custom theme. This choice gives us greater flexibility and control over the website's aesthetic. Upon choosing the custom theme, a new option will appear prompting you to go to Website Theme Editor. Click on it. This tool is your gateway to styling your Substack in a way that reflects your unique brand. With the theme editor open, direct your attention to the Home Page tab. Here is where you begin to make your website truly yours. Under the intro section, you'll see another drop-down labeled Header Style. This is an important feature because it sets the tone for your entire page. You can choose from several layout styles such as feature, newspaper, magazine, media feature, or highlight. Each style provides a distinct look, so take a moment to decide which best aligns with your vision. Next, move to the body section of the theme editor where you'll find the Post Layout drop-down. This determines how your posts are displayed on the site. You can choose between list, grid, or groups. Each arrangement offers a different organizational perspective for your content, allowing you to find the one that best suits your readers' consumption habits. For those seeking more granular control, head over to the Advanced Layouts section and toggle it to On. This enables some advanced customization features, providing even more versatility. Here you can click on Add Block to integrate unique elements like list, grid feature, or subscribe blocks into your site design. Once you've completed your selections and are satisfied with the new layout, the final step is crucial. Don't forget to click on Save. This action will ensure that all your customizations are preserved and visible to your audience. And there you have it. Changing your Substack layout is a straightforward process that can significantly improve the way your audience interacts with your content. Remember, your layout is not just about aesthetics. It's a tool that enhances readability and engagement. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect design that represents your brand identity. Thanks for watching and happy writing.